In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Google Ads. To do that, first head over to your HubSpot dashboard and proceed to click right here onto the Marketing tab. Now click on Ads in order to locate this. Once we're in there, you will be asked to connect to your Google Ads. If not, that means that you're already connected. So let's head over and click onto this create in order to create an ad campaign, audience, event, or goal. So if you haven't done so, you can also head over to your Google Marketplace or your HubSpot Marketplace right here and proceed to search for Google Ads. Click onto the search bar and search for it right here. And you should be able to find it right there. Just click on this and head over and click onto this install icon. This will open right here this new window that prompts us to actually account or choose right here the portal that we want to use. I'll choose over right here my account, and once it's done with that, it should be able to appear right here on my ad accounts. I just need to connect it all together in order to use this. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.